Welcome to CodeDroid Labs, your trusted Zoho partner. Today, we're diving straight into totally frictionless remote IT support.
You know the drill, right? Awkwardly reading session IDs over the phone to a super frustrated customer. So annoying.
Well, here's the game changer. We're ditching those clunky browser invites for a permanent instant desktop shortcut instead.
By completely cutting out the browser, that initial headache is gone. Support happens literally the second you need it.
It's just a crazy simple two-step process now. Let's actually look at the 4 big updates making this happen. First up, a massive shift. We're literally putting the power to start a session right in your customer's hands. So instead of waiting around for a tech, the user instantly pings a request directly to your service queue.
Update number 2, custom branding. This is absolutely crucial for building trust directly on your user's desktop. You can literally create different plugin versions, mapping out unique logos and themes for every single customer segment.
Okay, third is mass IT deployment. This is exactly how you scale up and manage massive fleets of hardware.
You just silently roll it out across hundreds of devices in the background using basic command line tools. So easy. And finally, number 4, true cross-platform support. Because let's be real, your users aren't all on one operating system.
Whether they're running Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a wild Raspberry Pi setup, you are absolutely 100% covered. So here's the real magic. Techs get an organized queue, and end users get a literal one-click support gateway.
The whole point of this Zoho Assist Quick Support update? To totally wipe out any friction in your workflow. So, gotta ask, are you ready to transform your help desk and finally step into truly frictionless tech support?